Hi guys. So today we have some slime, and it's not me and Putty, and my brother's is green, and I have pink. I didn't really want it to be pink, but my mom bought it for me. Yeah. And we're not gonna open it today, but we're gonna show you. Me no. So
Open it.
This is the top right here. And it's like this. So I'm gonna show you how it looks.
See, you opened it.
No, I'm not. Stop! I'm doing so much. So that's how it looks in the inside. I don't want. I'm not trying to play with it. I'm just showing it. And my brother, he's slime poker.
No, I'm not.
Yeah, that's just my mommy, and I am gonna play with it, but it's like it's not really like
Slime.
makes noise. And this is a nice slime. And then we're gonna be playing some Candyland. So I'll be talking about something. If you have to pay rent, right? Let's say I have a brother, right? I do have a brother. Well, I have a sister too. But this is not really like a nice slime. It's just like, look. It doesn't do much. Let me feel yours, and then let me feel mine. His is like better than mine.
Okay, well, if he's gonna take that, he can't take taxes out your check. Exactly.
It's like a nice texture, but it doesn't have the.
If he takes the taxes away, he can take the taxes out of your check.
I don't know if you can see this. Oh snap! Sorry, it fell. I'm next to a TV. There's a TV up there. I'm in my mom's room. So yeah. So we have this, as you can see. So as you.
Stop doing that.
Let me just move this so you can see.
How did you put it down on the floor?
No. So yeah, my name is Jazzy. It's just like it won't like come off. Come on. Oh. Yeah, it's good. Okay, that's just the whole side. So you see this. Can't really like poke it or anything because it's just not really like pokey slime. It's just a slime. I brought Flipagram, by the way. I love this slime. It's not slime, it's just putty. Let me try. Like, it doesn't even poke. It has bubbles. Like, look, it won't even poke, guys. It just sinks. So, this is the slime. I'm just going to say slime, not putty. We'll always see this. Jerry, I'll put yours right here, and then to show them. His pokes. Mine is just
Better.
It doesn't even.
Maybe for mine and yours. Which one's better?
I like yours. But mine is
Mine
like
is better. Right?
It's like a good slime. I'm saying slime, not putty.
It pokes like slime mine.
We're gonna play Candyland on camera.
Yeah. Whenever you want to, comment down below.
And then it flashes.
It's like a good slime.
You see it like it turns black.
Like,
the image black.
there's nothing. There's no hair on it or nothing. There's just like
They were
slime.
dirty things.
Mine isn't. Can your slime
And then
stretch?
you can still hear the sound,
Stretch
but you
it.
can't see the image.
Mine doesn't even
But it
stretch.
shows like it
Mine's
flashes.
It's
just
just
like
like a.
laundry.
This is
It's
a
a flash.
ripoff.
Look.
It will turn on, right? You will be watching it.
Stop.
I get
telling
mad
you
at.
stop.
Oh, he's just a tattletale, and he's just so
She
annoying.
tells allowed too. Stop playing.
Joriel? Alright. We get mad at each other all the time. Let's say I have a brother, which is I do. I'm sorry I cut off there. I just noticed that. And he has to pay
Attention.
a what?
Attention.
And he has attention, but then you want attention, and he's so annoying. And then one day you get attention, he gets mad, and then you be enemy, brother and sister. You grow up being enemies, but when you were kids, you were the greatest. He used to win a lot of what. But then when you grow up, you're gonna learn. Like, you're gonna learn how it is gonna be for grown-ups. I'm just trying to say that because my mom and my
Damn.
so
They're fighting.
they're just brothers.
Of course, right? You don't fight.
I'm sorry if you hear my mom speaking. She's just like
You heard that? I know you did.
Huh?
I know you heard that from my mom. That's why I was telling you.
No, we weren't. Joriel, just stop lying.
Jazzy.
What?
Jazzy.
What?
Look at me.
It's over. Nigga, the conversation's over. I'm turning my phone on. And I'll start laughing. What is that?
Okay. Okay, this was all prank. They didn't really fight.
I didn't tell them that they fighted.
They didn't fight.
Look what happened.
I know, we weren't talking about that.
I went upstairs to get my check, right? Oh my God. So I went upstairs, and they doing before Verizon used to be with satellite, right? Now they have it with regular, they use satellite no more. So now we can get it here because we wasn't allowed to get it.
Alright, this slime is like getting me on my nerves.
It's not
Why you have my bottle?
My
So
bottle.
That's my bottle.
No, I think mine's out of here.
Yeah, but I took mine out here.
Ooh!
Where's my bottle?
No, I'm losing it for a little bit.
I need to put it back. Alright, so guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Oh, please.
Oh boy.
If I'm a slime poker
Comment down below.
or a pet peever, just don't hate. I don't care if I'm a pet peever. I'm just perfect just the way I am. I like how the view is. Like, you can see the slime perfectly. So, like, am I a good poker?
It farts when you poke it.
I'm like, that's what I said. What the hell is wrong with you? And I was like I was saying, is he basically will put his knowledge to him if he's going to change it or not. Because that's all he does here. Is
It's like jiggly.
I
Look,
call him a crackhead, and I say I will not argument.
it's like a bouncy bounce.
Well, it gets me mad. I hate it. I don't like arguing against him. Like, it pisses me off. And then he wants to.
Nice slime. I like how the view is. Look at his
Oh!
color and look at mine.
Oh!
Which one is prettier?
Down below. Mine is clear a little bit, so it's good. Half clear.
His is
half
not
clear.
clear. His
Bye.
is dirty. Mine is like.
Who cares? It looks
Stop!
so
Don't
cute.
bounce. It's gonna get in my hair. I'm just like. Look. Go like this to your slime. On camera.
It makes a bubble.
It's just like his is dirty. Like mine is like not that dirty. It just has this something in it. Like this is a black thing for some reason. Oh, because the charger. That's why
And then
when I put it on the
always-
charger, it just.
Abby.
I got this today, brand new.
Our family,
Yep.
besides my
Brand
family,
new. We were just cleaning the room, and then my mom told me she had something else for us. We didn't know. What you gonna be for Halloween? Comment down below.
I'm gonna be.
I'm gonna be an angel. I
I'm
don't know
gonna
what
be-
he's gonna be,
I'm
but
gonna be a killer clown.
okay, bye. Okay, so this is a nice view. I just like this view. I should do this every time. I told you guys I was gonna do some slime, and I'm doing slime. I'm gonna do some pranks coming soon.
No, not at all.
Cause you have to comment down below if you want me to do pranks. So yeah,
All those old stuff and
guys, give me to 20 subscribers or 100 likes. Because I want some likes. I have like a little bit likes. Well, kind
like, what
of.
was the purpose of all? Like, what was
My
the
first video that I made was made by Flippergram. Now I started YouTube. Can I get my bottle? Because I'm trying to like poke my slime in the bottle so they can see how mine is. This is my mom's room. So pretty. It's kind of clean, but these are just wires. So take your slime out. Put your slime in. He just hurt his finger, I think. Did you hit your finger? He did. What's your name?
Dario.
Yeah. What's your last name?
Cruz, you know.
Yeah, my name is Jazleen
Cruz.
Glendalee
Cruz.
Cruz. But people just call me Jazzy.
Jasmine.
Jazzy.
Yeah, but your name is really Jasmine.
I know. I just told them. So we're done with this video exactly. I didn't have nothing else to show you.
My
I
mom
was
calls
thinking
her Jasmine.
no, we were like thinking of what she would do, and
Yes. know this.
I was thinking what should we do for a video, and I said, "Oh, I have slime."
No.
I mean,
Yeah, we
have,
just
I have
talked about
slime.
that.
So I said out that on my last video, you should go
And she
check it out.
called-
You already
She
did it.
called me and said, let's make a slime video.
I did it. He's just lying.
No. Jazzy.
He's a liar. He's just telling me to lie right now. He said I messed the video up because I wasn't lying. I'm not gonna lie. Well,
Jazz, but this was for the video, Jazz. Don't do that.
he's just mad because I don't want to lie to you guys.
Jasmine, can you put the sneakers inside the box, please?
Yeah. Guys, he's just gonna speak. And my okay. He's gonna speak to you, and I'll be right back.
I saw her when we went upstairs. She had phones everywhere.
This is not this slime. I'm gonna make a fart.
Okay. Wait, guys. So, guys, we have something for you that we're gonna do in our next video.
I'm gonna put it on my, pop in my
Let me show you.
Your favorite.
Maybe you never got it, and you're just like, oh, I never got that, so I'ma just hate on her because I want it. If you're like one of those people that hate on people, you might as well hate on me because I will. I won't care.
What is this game?
We have this game. No,
Cause
I wasn't talking about.
holiday.
No, it's called Candy.
Yeah, Candyland.
He's just lying. He don't know how to read. I'm just kidding. He knows how to read.
Not that much.
Not that much. He's only in first grade. I'm in third grade. If you never knew. But if you want to hate on me, go ahead. I don't care. So
Here we go. You know what this.
we
It
have-
says Play-Doh.
Excuse me.
Play-Doh. Play-Doh.
Yeah, you talk too much. This is the thing that I wanted to show you, and it's front, back, side. Read it for a second. Pause the video or
It says
something.
Play-Doh.
Read it. I think this is all the stuff it comes with. Oh, I'm sorry, the camera keeps on falling. But I'm not gonna put you on the angle that I just had you in, because I'm already done with that. I just closed my slime.
So go like this. Go first. Not like that. Like this. Like this. Off.